Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft LAN if it's not working. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, a few things to keep in mind. If you have mods installed, okay, as the host, ensure all players have the exact same mod list. Make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi or router. All right. Also, the version, for example, you play a Minecraft Java edition right here. Make sure that both of your game version are the same. All right, if you have 26.1.2 right here, make sure that your friends have 26.1.2 as well. Also, as the host, okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit on play right here. I'm going to show you something. Okay, again, as a host, if you want to start an online game or multiplayer game, make sure that you press escape and then just click on open to LAN. Now you're going to want to, remember your port number, okay? If you want to, you could go ahead and create one. For example, you may add 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, okay? And start LAN world. Now, it says here, local game hosted in port 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next step would be what? Go ahead and open up your CMD. I'm just going to show you how to set it up correctly. Okay, CMD right here and type down ipconfig, just like so. And then just hit on enter. Now you'll be able to see an IPv4 address right here. You'll have to keep that in mind, okay? Now, once you have the IPv4 address, all you got to do is just go ahead and grab your friend's PC. For example, this is your friend's PC right here. Just click on multiplayer. Now click on a direct connection and then type down the IPv4 address. For example, 192.168.1.0. And then after that, type down colon, followed by what? Of course, your port number. Okay, so as you might remember earlier, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So just go ahead and click on join server and enjoy. All right. Now, what if that still won't work? Well, just make sure that both your computers or all of your computers' network is set to private. Okay, so just go ahead over to your start menu. Again, all of you, click on network connections. Scroll down, advanced network settings right here. And advanced sharing settings. Make sure network discovery is enabled right here. All right. Now at the top, we have private networks. Click on the drop down. Make sure that this one as well, network discovery is enabled. And set up connected devices automatically ticked. And then after that, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down firewall. And here we have Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, just this one. Just click on it. Now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now you'll be able to find, okay, you scroll all the way down and find J. We have Java and Java Platform SE binary. Make sure that all Java related service right here or feature that private and public are both ticked. Okay, so before you can make any changes, click on change settings right here at the top. Now tick on everything right here with Java. All right. And then once that's done, just click on OK. Close. Do this to all of your computers. And once done, try to restart your computer, make a new game or host a new game and enjoy. Just follow the setup I once taught you earlier and you'll be good to go. And that is how you fix Minecraft LAN if it's not working. Hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.